Now rewind back a little more in time and see the steps you are taking, pushing you towards this desire. See how you are staying on track on a daily basis by doing little things that push you towards this goal. How are you feeling when you see yourself staying on track? Rewind back even further to a few weeks from now. Notice how you are planning your goal and you are staying on track with doing all the things you need to do in order to achieve it. And now even further back now to tomorrow. See yourself planning out all you need to do to achieve this great goal. Feel the excitement in you because of your determination to achieve this goal in little steps along the way. Take a nice deep breath in and let it go, repeating to yourself in your head, I am great at staying on track. I am great at staying on track. I am great at staying on track. Good. Now let's do a little exercise with staying on track by counting backwards from 100. Yes, it may seem boring, but this is a good task for your mind. So let's begin. 100. You can imagine you're writing it on a whiteboard or on a sheet of paper. 99, 98. Continue counting backwards on your own, and if you lose track, simply bring back your attention to whatever number you remember you left off on.